We believe that it's very important for each of our patients to make a very sound decision. So when we can go out into the community and offer seminars, that this greatly helps people to come to the decision that suits them the best, and also gives them a great chance to see a more personal side of the doctor and ask questions, and then feel more comfortable in coming in to visit us at the office.
We offer skincare seminars 3 times a year, springtime, summer, and in the fall. Our springtime one, we usually address the more aggressive treatments, chemical peels, so we can prepare your skin and get it in very good condition. In the summertime, we really promote good skincare, good sun protection, and in the fall we promote repair for damage that could have happened during the summer months, and also getting you back on a good scare regimen.
We'd like to invite you to come to our seminars. You can find us on the website or by calling us at the office. Our seminars are educational and cover all aspects of the surgery that we do in our office. We also have a skincare department, and our registered nurse does lasers and fillers. So we're a complete office that offers everything from facials to facelift.